is totoo ngayong kumita sa site na to guys. OKTRX.xyz. So guys, ito rin guys yung para mag-sign up. Lagyan nyo po yung mobile number nyo guys, login password, security password, invitation code, then makatas nyo po yung letters po dito, then click nyo po yung sign up guys. So yun guys, nakalagin na nga po tayo sa site na to guys. So guys, may latest announcement po si OKTRX. OKE is top 10 global mining basis. My number 1 next to the GR Cody Highway Station in the Upper Columbia River, Washington, Northern Unit in United States. Mine 2 is next to the Ferry Highway Station in Northern Brazil. My number 3 is Zambezi River Head Simba next Bashawa Station, Mozambique. My number 4, the lower reaches of the Tocantins River in the Amazon region of northern Brazil adjacent to the Tocorrego Power Station. My number 5, next Tacoma Highway Station on the lower Corona River in Venezuela. My number 6, upper Parana River near Paraguay, Brazil next to Itaipu Power Station. My number 7, next to the nuclear power plant in Kelgar, Karnataka, India, on the banks of Kalinda River. My number 8, upper Xingu River in the lower Amazon River, Brazil, next to Maiswan Station. My number 8, next to Juliusau Station in eastern Venezuela. My number 10, upper Yenisei River in Siberia near Sayan Shoshenk Highway Power Station. Welcome to OKTRX company with 180 TRX mines and over 3 million mining machine worldwide. Investor cover world continue to expand production capacity. The parent company being the Singapore Consortium, strong financial strength. OKETRX white paper. So, basahin nyo na po itong link na to. So, register now to get 1000 TRX mining power. The daily mining is 5% live. Professional mining integrity company seeking the only official link. Telegram and T.M. Telegram official customer service. The only official website. OKTRX.xyz. After registration, there are 2 accounts. Basic account, promotion account. Basic account minimum investment of 5 TRX lifetime withdrawal. Recommended recharge, get rich rewards. When your level 1 is deposited, you can get a 10% commission. When your level 2 is deposit, you can get a 5% commission. When your level 3 is deposit, you can get 2% commission. When you deposit 100 TRX in level 1, you can get 10 TRX commission. When you deposit 10 TRX in level 10, you can get 5 TRX commission. When you deposit 100 TRX in level 3, you can get 12. Bonuses can be withdrawn immediately without any restriction. Top up basic account from TRX to TRX. Then so guys, how to earn promotional account verification, account revenue, share, sign up link on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or recommend to friends around you after so someone sign up to invest the commission is as 70% every time you refer friend A to sign up, friend A recommends friend B to C sign up, and friend B recommends friend C to sign up. If they invest directly, you will get 10% of us investment, 5% of B investment, and 2% of investment percentage reward will get in your promotional wallet. The RTX in the promotion account can be fully withdrawn on the same day, or it can be directly invested in basic account and withdrawn for life. So yun guys, no, dito sa OKETRX, meron tayong total balance ng 1,000 TRX. So guys, magtutungo tayo sa trading. So yun guys, trading profit, 24 hours settlement, 5% cloud mining is working. So guys, no, nandito tayo sa product list guys. OKETRX, my number 1, daily rate 2, cycle 7 days. OKETRX, my number 3, daily rate 3, 30 days. OKETRX, my 9, 10, daily rate 90 days. OKETRX 5, daily rate 6, cycle 120 day. OKETRX, my number 8, daily rate cycle 150 day. OKETRX TRX mine number 2, daily rate, cycle 180 day, OK8 TRX mine, 7 days, daily rate, 13.5, cycle 360 days. So in guys na magtutungo tayo dito sa share. So yun guys, no, meron ditong invite your contacts or friends in and reward. So guys, kakopy natin itong link na to guys. Tapos may invitation code dito guys. Tapos ipasa natin sa mga friends natin sa Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram guys. So, pwede na tayo makakuha ng mga earned rewards guys. So yun guys, no, pumunta nga tayo sa mine. 0 TRX total balance guys ay 1,000 TRX total balance guys, VIP level 1. So meron din deposit, withdrawal, TRX deposit quantity, recharge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal function. So meron dito tayong team, app service, team, profit list, traffic to basic share, notification app. That's all guys. Tuturo ko sa inyo guys kung paano tayo mag-deposit guys. So transfer to basic account, transfer to promotion account. Investment is divided into two modes. Number 1, recharge to the basic account and receive income according Singapore time zone after 24 hours every day. Number 2 is recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal and income you may open majority. View notes before investing. Please choose a basic account or a promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged and any this is very critical issue. So yun guys, no, click mo natin itong transfer to basic account guys. So yun guys, no, nandito tayo sa transfer to basic account guys. So yun guys, no, click po natin itong copy address guys. So ang gagawin natin guys is magtutungo tayo sa Binance. So yun nga guys, nasa Binance na tayo. So paano nga ba tayo makaka-withdraw dito guys? So click po natin itong wallets. So guys, so meron ditong deposit, withdraw, transfer. So click natin guys yung withdraw. So click po natin guys yung TRX. Send via Crypto Network. Long press natin guys yung nakuha natin link sa site. Lagay po natin guys dito yung minimum na guys. So, click po natin yung withdrawal. Click po natin guys yung confirm. So yun guys, no, meron nga ditong verification code guys. Meron mag-isend natin sa number natin guys, then sa Gmail natin. So, click po natin itong send code. So yun guys, dito na tayo guys, na nakapin na natin yung code natin guys, tsaka yung Gmail natin guys na code. Click po natin yung submit guys. So yun guys, no, request submitted guys, no, napaka-legit talaga ng apps to guys. Ano pa ang hihintayin nyo guys? Mag-sign up na po kayo guys, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa lahat ng ilalabas ko ng mga video. Thank you guys.